What's going on YouTube? It's ST Boys here. Don't have Rad with me today, but I got my brother Parker right there. Today we will be installing a new intercooler, big boy intercooler from Depot Racing. Picked it up for about 300 bucks. So you want to start off by taking off the bumper. I made a video on that already, so I'm not going to show that whole process, but if you guys need help on that, just watch that video. Alright guys, you don't have to do this for taking off the bumper, but for this part, changing the intercooler, you're gonna need to take out these 3 8mm bolts that hold this plastic piece on with the splash shield. Alright guys, and then after you get that next plastic piece off, you're gonna want to undo the 8mm hex bolts that are on each end. Okay, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and undo the intercooler piping hoses, which is not an 8, it's a 7. So, as you can see, undid the hose clamp, loosened it up, and then you just want to pull it off. And you might want to shove a towel or something in there, so that nothing gets in there. Yeah, go ahead and just stuff something in there so that nothing accidentally shoots in there. And then, yeah, these little, I don't know, mounting points, they go up inside these little rubber grommets that are, it's like right in here. Right in here. So yeah, and then you just do the same thing to the other side, and then you got your intercooler off. All right, guys. Now look at the size difference. Holy! So they give replacement hardware just for the top 2 mounting points on the stock one, because it doesn't have these little those things. So you're gonna have to use these spacers. They give instructions, but basically just spacers, 2 bolts, and some washers, and you just mount it in the same place where the stock one goes. It's pretty simple. So we figured out the easiest way to do it. Put the spacer inside of this grommet. Like, put the little spacer they supply with inside of here, right? And you put that on top of here, and then you screw the screw into the bottom, and that way when you put it back onto here, you can just push the grommet right up into that, and then put the stock bolt, the 8mm one, down to this lower mounting bracket, and put these on, tighten them up, and then you're good to go. Stock hose clamps that come on here, not very strong at all. I just busted it, so now I gotta run to AutoZone real quick, get some better ones. Yeah, that's annoying. All right guys, made it back from AutoZone, picked up these ones. They're a little thicker, hopefully won't bust when I tighten them. got it on. It's fully mounted on there. Looks sick. Looks really good. So now, basically just put everything back that you took off. You know, this plastic piece, then the bumper, then the headlights, and yeah, so we'll go ahead and do that. There she is, fully completed, back together. Yeah, not too bad. The only complication we ran into really was the hose clamp busting on that side. Other than that, went pretty smooth. And yeah, you guys can get this intercooler, Depot Racing, depotracing.us. Put the link in the description. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If this was helpful, give it a like. If you guys have any questions, comment. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go test drive it now, see if any of the charge pipes blows off. Hopefully not, but thanks for watching, guys.